this is how you could solve this problem with Content Snare. Okay, so right now we're in Content Snare. We're in the builder phase, so this is where you can ask the questions of the clients that you want. Now what we're going to do is we're going to ask for some documents. So we're going to use the file upload field. Now let's say, for example, we wanted something like last 3 months bank statements. So you can ask that here. This is where you're going to stop that back and forth. First and foremost, we can use the instruction field to specify what we're after. So we can specify the dates. We could even say, go here, do this, and we can hyperlink that. So we can say, go here to their bank. So we can be super specific here. But this is the other part. Is say, for example, you only accept stuff in PDF format. First and foremost, we can allow multiple documents. So they can put all of the bank statements in this one space here. But we can actually restrict the file types here. So we can say PDF only. So now the client can only give us that document in PDF. Let's say we want another series of documents, for example, for whatever reason, we want a sales ledger. And again, we want that, but this time we want that in PDF or CSV. So now what we can do is we can go and send that out to the client. So we can choose the client that this is relevant for and ping that straight out to them. I am going to show you now is what you will see. So let's say, for example, the client uploads a file. I've actually got one here. They then submit that to you. So that's been submitted. What you're now going to see is as soon as they start working on that documents one, you can actually approve, reject, or revise. If they've got multiple documents in this one question, we can individually approve or reject. We don't have to download the file either. We can just preview that file. If you had a series of files here, we'd be able to individually go through them. So we can say that's not what we're after, reject it, and reject for this reason. So we can give a real specific reason why that 1 or 2 files were rejected. And obviously we've got all of those steps in place. Like we've asked what we want, we've specified all these extra details here, we've said they can only give us PDF documents. And like I said, if they had multiple documents in here, you can approve and reject each individual one. So if they went to upload that again, they'd already know that's been rejected, and then they can see the actual rejection reason. So that's how you can stop that back and forth of getting files in.